Hello. So I'm going to be going over the Unit 3 Project 6-1 calculate the area and perimeter form. So here's I got the criteria open for the text boxes for length and width. Is the sub called, and then the other one is sub created to handle the text change events for the text boxes. So is it created, area labeled, cleared, perimeter label cleared. So let's see, let's go to that. So over here, this is the clear all boxes event that when something is, the text is changed so that something is inputted for the text box length or width, it's going to set area and perimeter, those text boxes, the text in there to nothing. So it's going to clear it. So if I go to design, if I click on this guy here, if you look, so I clicked earlier on the events tab here, and for text change, it calls the clear all boxes, and then same for the width. I went to events and text change, clear all boxes. So if we run that, here we go. So for the length, I'll put 23. The width, I'll put 56. And if I press enter, it'll give us our area and our perimeter. And if I change it, so it's 56, if I hit backspace on it, it should change it just like that. And I'll show you again. It's 12, 24, or 34. And I'll click calculate this time. It's going to give us our area and perimeter. And if I backspace and I change that length and whatnot, you can see that it's setting the area and perimeter to nothing. I'm going to exit out of that. So that's everything for the grading criteria on the Project 6-1, the calculate the area and perimeter form. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, thanks, bye.